Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Konica Minolta PagePro 1590MF printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. On a YouTube description, I give two links. First is the Google Drive link and second is the Mega link. Click on the Mega link or Google Drive link. I click on the Google Drive link and Google Drive link is open in a web browser. Here we find download option. Click on the download option from this page or go to the file and click on the download or Ctrl D on our keyboard. I go to the file and click on the download. It's redirect to another web page of the Google Drive. Click on the download. Anyway, wait for a few seconds and new download is started on our PC or laptop. It takes few seconds. Our download is completed, almost completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay, close it. Here we find our printer driver file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK and it's extracted. And newly extracted folder or unzip folder is created on desktop. Double click on it. Here we find two options. 32. 32 means 32-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32 folder. And if your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64 folder. My machine is 64-bit, so I go to the 64. Here we find the drivers. Close it. Next step is install the drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Havadix. Click on Havadix. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32 folder. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64 folder. I go to the 64-bit. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find some options. Go to your printer name. Konica Minolta PagePro 1590MF. Select your printer and click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you want. I go with the same printer name. Click on the next. It's install your printer in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Konica Minolta PagePro 1590MF, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.